that's quite a lot. Honestly, I was a little bit surprised because number one right here seems to be Jalisco, and I don't think I have family members there. Hi everyone, my name is Fernanda Leon with Narcity USA, and today I'm going to take you through the entire process of the DNA test called 23andMe, which is the one that I have right here. I'm going to explain how it works. I'm going to guide you through the whole process. I'm going to show you my results, and I'm going to talk about my experience with the test. So I got my test from Amazon. They have an Amazon store where they offer 3 different options. The first one costs $99 and it offers around 80 plus personalized genetic traits. The second option costs $130, I believe, and it offers you 150 plus personalized traits, and you also have the option to get some health insights. The third one, which is the one that I chose, is right here, offers 180 personalized genetic traits. It also offers you the health insight, and it also includes a year membership, like a premium membership that you can use based on the test results that you get. So the way it works, you get a box like this in the mail. I believe the 3 options look the same. It's just the results that vary once you get them in their app. You have to download their app, and then you also have to register your kit on their website. You have this box. Once you open it, it comes with a little booklet with instructions. And then the test is right here. It's a saliva test, so we'll see how it goes. So this is what comes inside the test. I need to put this all together. So I need to fill this little tube right here with my sample all the way up here where the line is at, and then I have to seal it. Another thing that I didn't know, but is you cannot eat or drink anything for the first 30 minutes prior to doing your test. According to the booklet, I need to close this and pushing it until I hear a click. Once this is closed, you open this, and then there's another little cap right here that you are supposed to use to close, and then you're putting the test in this little bag. Okay, so now that you have everything ready to go, here's my test. You put it back in this little box that came in with, and close it, and then you put it in the box, seal it, and then it's good to go. And we're just gonna wait for the results. I believe they take between 2 to 5 weeks, and then I'm gonna keep you posted. Hi everyone, so I finally got my results. This is the email that I got. It says, your reports are ready. This is how it looks. It says, Diana Fernanda, welcome to you. And it's like a little envelope. You click here and view your reports. It's going to take you to the web page so you can log in. I already did. This is how the home page looks. Your next reports, it's basically different health reports that will tell you how prone you are to get a disease. The first one I got was for gallstones. So right here is like the percentage I got, which is 47%. That's quite a lot. But yeah, I mean, it doesn't mean that you have this disease. It's just that you're a little bit more prone to develop it in the future. For example, right here, it says an estimated 47% of people with genetics and other factors like yours develop gallstones by their 70s. So let's do Parkinson's disease. I do not have the 2 genetic variants they test. So this is good news. These quick links show different kinds of reports as well. This is an Ancestry report. Let's click on this. So this is showing that I'm 64.4 European. Most of that percentage comes from Spain and Portugal, which I'm not very surprised because I know that I had family members that were from Spain. Not sure about Portugal, but Indigenous American, it's a 28.4%. The most recent report is from the Americas. And well, I'm from Mexico, so it's not a surprise that this is showing right here. These are the states from Mexico that my family is from. Honestly, I was a little bit surprised because number one right here seems to be Jalisco. And I don't think I have family members there. Sinaloa is the second state, and yes, I do have family from there. Chihuahua, yes. Actually, I live in El Paso, which is right here, and next to El Paso, Ciudad Juarez and Chihuahua. So I'm always on both sides of the country. Let's go back and see wellness. Find out how your DNA may affect your body's response to diet, exercise, and sleep. Wow, this is interesting. So for alcohol flush reaction, I'm unlikely to flush. Caffeine consumption, I am likely to consume less caffeine. Okay, this is interesting. I love coffee, so, but this is not like very wrong because I love coffee, but I don't drink coffee as much. Cat allergy, increased likelihood. Yes, I'm allergic to cats, so this is true. Lactose intolerance, likely tolerant. DNA relatives. This is people that have also done the test, the same test, the 23andMe test. And these are supposed to be people that we, like share some kind of like the same DNA. Honestly, I took a look. That was the first thing I did when I got the results. I took a look and I don't know any of these people. I'm gonna have to contact, I'm not gonna say like all of them, but maybe some of them. If you go into like one of their profiles, you'll see like a chart that explains how you could be related to this person. Shows a birth year, where she's leaving. So in conclusion, I think that this is such a great way to learn more about yourself. The Ancestry report is super interesting. It's like a lot of information. Also, my test included the health reports, which I also find very useful. I learned about things that I didn't know. So this is like something that can totally help me, prevent some diseases that I could get in the future, and of course that I don't want to get. So I think it does help a lot in terms of like health and in terms of getting to know you better and where you come from, and even like the fact that you can talk and chat with people that share your DNA. I also find it super interesting. So I would totally recommend this test. If you've done the test before, how did it go for you? Tell us. I would love to know. I'm Fernanda Leon with Narcity, and I'll see you later. Bye.